How do we pronounce ED endings? That's what many of you have been asking, and that's what we're doing on this Learner's Questions. So, if you have a question for Learner's Questions, you can email us on learning.english@bbc.co.uk. And don't forget, as soon as I finish this video, there is a full summary slide. Okay. English adds ed endings to infinitive verbs to make regular past simple and past participle verb forms. These ed endings can have one of three different pronunciations, either t, d, or id. How do you know which one to use? Well, it's based on the last syllable of the infinitive verb, either voiced, unvoiced, or other. So, if the last sound of the infinitive verb is unvoiced, then the ed sound is also unvoiced. T. So ask, help, and miss become asked, helped, and missed. For example, I asked a question, but I missed the answer because it was too noisy. If the last sound of the infinitive verb is voiced, then the ed ending is also voiced and becomes d. So, arrive, play, and close become arrived, played, and closed. For example, once they had arrived, we closed the door and played a game. Now for the others. If the infinitive verb finishes with a t or d sound, then the ed ending is pronounced id. So, want, wait, and need become wanted, waited, and needed. And be careful, because using id at the end of a word increases the number of syllables by one. Want, wanted. Wait, waited. For example, I wanted to go, but I waited because I needed my friend. Thank you very much to everybody who asked about ed endings and how to pronounce them. It's a very common question, and I hope the answer was useful to you. If you have a question for Learner's Questions, you can email us on learning.english@bbc.co.uk. And don't forget, as soon as this video finishes, there is a full summary slide. Thank you very much for joining me on this Learner's Questions, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.